Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Rockin' Christmas Tree Stamp Set. This is one of the cutest Christmas stamp sets I've seen. The trees have so much personality, you will definitely want to grab a few action wobbles to go with these cuties. Now, two of the trees measures approximately 1 5/8 of an inch by 2 inches, and that's the largest trees in this set. And the music notes and stars are a great way to add that extra special touch to your projects. I found these images are sized perfectly for creating fun, one-of-a-kind Christmas tags for gifts or treat boxes and bags. Here you can see I created a shaker tag using Whimsy Stamps ATC Antique Frames dies along with this adorable stamp set. For my next sample, I created a fun scene using the Decorate a Tree die set so this rockin' cutie could hang a few jolly ornaments. Let me know what you think of the Rockin' Christmas Tree stamp set in the comments below. And for more information on the product in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the link in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.